For Python, install Anaconda Python. For opening Jupyter Notebook after installation, go to List of Programs, choose Anaconda folder. In it you will find Anaconda Navigator, click on it. Once Anaconda Navigator opens, launch the Jupyter Notebook. Initially the Jupyter Notebook home will open in default browser, and on the right-hand top corner you will see New tab. Click on the drill down and choose Python 3 for opening a Jupyter Notebook. Pandas is an open-source, BSD licensed library providing high-performance, easy-to-use data structures and data analysis tools for the Python programming language. NumPy is the fundamental package for scientific computing with Python. It contains a powerful n-dimensional array object and useful linear algebra, Fourier transform, and random number capabilities. Numpy includes two sub-libraries SciPy and sklearn. SciPy, pronounced SciPy, is a Python-based ecosystem of open-source software for mathematics, science, and engineering. Scikit-learn is for machine learning in Python, simple and efficient tools for data mining and data analysis, and built on NumPy, SciPy, and Matplotlib. Matplotlib is a Python 2D plotting library which produces publication-quality figures in a variety of hard copy formats and interactive environments across platforms. pdread_csv is an important Pandas function to read CSV files and do operations on it. Separator by default is comma. There are many arguments that can be given in this function related to date columns, headers, etc., but default is best useful. In the pdread_csv function, brackets paste the file path in double quotes or single quotes and change the slashes to opposite side. The file path must have file name with file type extension. For file path, right-click on File and in Security tab copy the object name file path. Pandas.size, .shape, and .ndim are used to return size, shape and dimensions of data frames and series. Data frame.size returns size of data frame/series, which is equivalent to total number of elements. That is rows x columns. Data frame.shape returns tuple of shape, rows, columns, of data frame/series. Data frame.types returns a series with the data type of each column. The following are the data types in Python: int64, float64, object, datetime64, Boolean and category. A data type is essentially an internal construct that a programming language uses to understand how to store and manipulate data. A data frame is a two-dimensional data structure, i.e., data is aligned in a tabular fashion in rows and columns. Features of data frame. Potentially columns are of different types. Size, mutable. Labeled axes, rows and columns. Can perform arithmetic operations on rows and columns. A Pandas data frame can be created using various inputs like lists, dict, series, Numpy and arrays. Another data frame. There are 4 collection data types in the Python programming language. List is a collection which is ordered and changeable. Allows duplicate members. In Python, lists are written with square brackets. Tuple is a collection which is ordered and unchangeable. Allows duplicate members. In Python, tuples are written with round brackets. Set is a collection which is unordered and unindexed. No duplicate members. In Python, sets are written with curly brackets. Dictionary is a collection which is unordered, changeable, and indexed. No duplicate members. In Python, dictionaries are written with curly brackets, and they have keys and values. There are 4 collection data types in the Python programming language. List is a collection which is ordered and changeable. Allows duplicate members. In Python, lists are written with square brackets. Tuple is a collection which is ordered and unchangeable. Allows duplicate members. In Python, tuples are written with round brackets. Set is a collection which is unordered and unindexed. No duplicate members. In Python, sets are written with curly brackets. Dictionary is a collection which is unordered, changeable, and indexed. No duplicate members. In Python, dictionaries are written with curly brackets, and they have keys and values. DataFrame.head. This function returns the first n rows for the object based on position. It is useful for quickly testing if your object has the right type of data in it. DataFrame.tail. This function returns the last n rows for the object based on position. It is useful for quickly testing if your object has the right type of data in it. For column names, use list, dataframe.columns.values. Or list, dataframe.columns.values.tallist. Pandas describe is used to generate descriptive statistics that summarize the central tendency, dispersion, and shape of a dataset's distribution, excluding NaN values. Analyzes both numeric and object series, as well as data frame column sets of mixed data types. The results index will include count, mean, STD, min, max, as well as lower, 50 and upper percentiles. By default, the lower percentile is 25 and the upper percentile is 75. The 50 percentile is the same as the median. When this method is applied to a series of string, it returns different stats were returned, like count of values, unique values, top, and frequency of occurrence in this case.